What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video. In this video, I'm actually going to tell you guys about how you can earn up to 10% APY or 10% interest on your money for a temporary period of time, and then after that time up to another 8.6% every single month on your money every single month. And that's all through this app that I mentioned before on the channel, and that app is BlockFi. So let's not waste any more time. Let's find out how you can make up to 10% on your money APY interest every single month on your money right now. Let's go. Before we jump in, it would be greatly appreciated if you guys could drop a like on the video. That basically helps the channel out, and it also supports the YouTube algorithm, which is the best thing ever because it's just so great. So hit the like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well if you want to see more content on BlockFi, cryptocurrency, investing in stocks, budgeting, credit cards, anything personal finance related, because I got you covered right here on the channel. And lastly, check out all those links down below, because all those links down below are going to get you a lot of free stuff. You'll get a lot of free stocks with those links down below, a lot of free cryptocurrency with those links down below, and a lot of free other stuff like free money on gas through Get Upside and other things with those links down below. So all out the way, let's talk about BlockFi and this 10% interest right now. So if you don't actually know what BlockFi is, I explained it in a previous video and I go over step by step exactly how to use everything with BlockFi and other cryptocurrency apps. So make sure you check that video out. But regardless, if you don't know what BlockFi is, generally speaking, BlockFi is a crypto wallet where you can actually put your crypto onto that wallet and you have your crypto sit there, and that crypto that's sitting there earns you interest. So for example, let's say you have some Bitcoin. You have that Bitcoin sitting in your Coinbase wallet, or maybe you have it sitting in your Gemini wallet, your eToro wallet, wherever you have it sitting at, it doesn't matter. It's not earning you any extra money, which it could be doing on top of the Bitcoin price actually going up. So if you actually move your Bitcoin from that Coinbase, Gemini, eToro, or whatever crypto exchange you actually have your cryptocurrency on, if you go and move it from that crypto exchange to BlockFi's crypto wallet, then you'll actually earn up to 5% interest on your Bitcoin, plus whatever you get from Bitcoin naturally going up in price. And BlockFi also offers that for other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, like Litecoin, and like some other stable coins that we're going to mention in this video as well. Currently on my BlockFi account, my account value is sitting at a little bit over $1,900. I have about $175 worth in Bitcoin, $1,700 worth in Ethereum, and about $20 worth in Gemini US dollars, or basically the Gemini stablecoin, which is basically equivalent to $1. And that GUSD or Gemini dollar is basically how you're going to earn your 10% interest temporarily, and then 8.6% interest right after that. So what exactly is a stablecoin, and why should I trust that type of crypto versus the regular type of crypto such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, where it's not actually FDIC insured? Number one, a stablecoin actually is FDIC insured. It's actually FDIC insured for at least the Gemini dollar up to $250,000. And that basically means if you lose up to that amount of money, then you're basically FDIC insured to get that money back over a course of time. It's not going to happen so instantly if somebody was to hack your account or do whatever with your account and get that money. But if you had something like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, if someone was to hack your account and steal all your crypto, then you're kind of out of luck, because those cryptos are not FDIC insured. They're not backed by any type of US bank or anything like that, so you will lose your money. That's why it's so important to actually keep your crypto safe. I'm going to use the Gemini dollar for this example since we've already been using it throughout the video, but you can also compare this to the USD coin or other cryptocurrency stablecoins. The Gemini dollar is a 1-to-1 USD backed stablecoin built by a secure, trusted, and regulated cryptocurrency exchange. So basically that means the Gemini dollar is 1-to-1 back to the actual US dollar. So that basically means that the price of the Gemini dollar will not change. One Gemini dollar or Gemini stablecoin will be worth exactly the same thing as one US dollar. And this works the same way with other stablecoins, but we're mentioning Gemini for this one. So there you go, that's the gist. But Mike, how do I actually get my 10% APY on my money, or my 8.6% APY on my money with the Gemini stablecoin or any other stablecoin I decide to use? And I'm going to show you that right here. So currently BlockFi is actually doing a promotion. So from April 22nd, 2021, that's already actually passed, to July 31st of this year, they're going to be doing a 10% APY promotion on BlockFi for any stablecoins you decide to hold with BlockFi besides Tether. So if you want to go and buy some stablecoins and earn 10% APY or 10% interest on those stablecoins on BlockFi, you can do that right now. It's literally as simple as creating your BlockFi account, having everything set up, and then go ahead and click on this little plus button at the bottom, click on deposit, click on purchase stablecoin at the top, click on however you want your money to actually come out of your bank account, put in however much money you want to deposit, and then you're all good to go. You hit review and confirm, and you're all good to go. The money will show up in your BlockFi account under this whatever stablecoin you decide to buy. BlockFi automatically will purchase your coins in Gemini USD, which is perfectly fine because, like I said before, it's backed 1-to-1 to the US dollar, so that's not a problem at all. And you'll earn 10% APY on that Gemini USD up to July 31st. And then after July 31st, I believe it's 8.6%, which is still amazing. And you're not getting this with any type of savings account out here in anywhere in the US right now. So overall, it's solid. Can't really complain. There you go. And that's exactly how you do it. Now, BlockFi also has this crazy good feature called Flex. And with Flex, all the interest that you get from a cryptocurrency can actually go towards another cryptocurrency. So if you want all your interest, all your 10% APY interest that you get from your stablecoin to go towards Litecoin or go towards Ethereum or go towards Bitcoin, then you can simply turn on Flex and have it set up and go towards that. So if you're earning any interest from your stablecoin, have it go to your actual crypto that you wanted to go to, that you have invested for the long term, then you'll be all good to go. You can do just that, or you can have it stay and it'll just go towards whatever stablecoin you have, and then you can transfer it later, do whatever you want to do with the money. Because as I always say on the channel, it's your money, so you can kind of do whatever you want to do with it. Another thing I just wanted to mention for literally like half a second is make sure you turn on two-factor authentication on your BlockFi account, and honestly on basically every bank account you have, because with two-factor authentication, it's basically just an extra layer of security that people can't get into your account, can't hack your account, can't do anything with your account without an extra layer of verification on your part. So when I actually go in to sign into BlockFi, they ask me for a code, an authentication code, and if I don't have the right code, then I won't be able to get into my BlockFi account. And I personally always have my code because I'm actually using my authentication app, but anybody that actually had the password to my BlockFi account, I don't know how they could get it, but it doesn't really matter. If anybody did have the password to my BlockFi account, they couldn't get in unless they had the code as well. So just an extra layer of security for yourself, because you need to protect your money. If you're going to be investing your money anywhere or saving your money anywhere or doing anything with your money where it's kind of out of your control and it's in the place of a bank or anything like that, two-factor authentication, it needs to be on at all times. The last thing I want to mention is that if you guys actually sign up with my BlockFi link down below, you're going to get $10 in Bitcoin as long as you invest $100 or more into BlockFi. And honestly, if you got crypto, I'm pretty sure you have over $100 worth of crypto. So if you go and put that into BlockFi, you're going to get $10 in Bitcoin. So a free $10 basically just for signing up. On top of that, if you transfer a certain amount of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, they're also going to give you extra money towards that cryptocurrency. The rates may vary and all that kind of depends. So I'll just put something on screen for that. But either way, you get something for signing up and you also get something for basically transferring more. The more you transfer, the more you get for free. So win, 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 win. Sure, I'll take it there. Either way, I think that's all I really have to say for this actual video. This could be a full-blown replacement for your savings account, and this interest rate will not be like this forever. I don't know how long these interest rates are going to be this high. I think that's crazy that it's this high, but I mean, you can't really turn down 10% interest every single month, or basically 10% interest over the year. You can't really turn that down. That's just free money. So why not go ahead and grab yourself some interest while you still can? Because like I said before, I don't know how long these rates are going to stay this way, but I'm not mad at all, and I'm going to take advantage of it myself. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get some free BlockFi goodness, then just check out the links down below. On top of that, check out the stock links down below and the other links down below as well. And check out the rest of the channel, because I got tons of stuff. If you're not really interested in the whole crypto game, I understand. It is what it is. It can be a little bit confusing sometimes, but I'm here to help you with that. So if you got questions as well, drop them down below, because I can answer your questions. That's what I'm here for, right? Either way, thank you for watching. As always, I'm out. Dollar Mike. Peace.